Okay, students, good morning. Okay. Now there were many queries from the students that what type of topics are being taught. Now let's clear what type of question paper will be there for you. Annual, this is your final question paper होगा. ये ध्यान रखना. Total 10th English, that is your language and literature, maximum marks will be 80. But this paper, it will be divided in two parts. Okay, first part will be part A, 40 marks. It will be complete MCQ type. This question will be complete. This part will be complete MCQ type. Only multiple choice question, optional question only. First, reading section 20 marks. There will be two passages. Two passages. There will be two passages, and in each passage, 10 question you have to attempt out of 12. Out of 12. In one passage, there will be 12 questions. There will be 12 questions. You have to answer only 10. Okay. Same is the case with the second passage. Second passage में भी ऐसे ही होंगे. There will be 12 questions and you have to answer 10. It will be of 20 marks total. Your reading section. Reading section will be of 20 marks. Next is your literature part. Literature part, it will carry 10 marks here. 5 marks stanza from the poetry section. This is poem. Poetry sections. 5 marks stanza. There will be 2 stanzas. You will have internal choice. And all questions are multiple choice. All the questions are of multiple choice. These 5 questions, these are of multiple choice. There will be 2 stanzas. You have to attempt 1. 5 questions will be there. Again, there will be a passage from the prose. Prose section, there will be a passage. There will be 2 passages. You have to attempt only 1. You have to attempt 1. It means this literature part, it will carry 10 marks. And next is your grammar section. It will also carry 10 marks. Okay, it will carry 10 marks. Now, grammar section will be of 10 marks. Total, there will be 3 questions. Total, there will be 3 questions. 3 marks question, 3 marks question, and 4 marks question. But questions, it will be 3 questions in this first one, 3 questions again second, but in last we will have 6 questions. And out of 6, you have to attempt any 4. Out of 6, you have to attempt any 4. It means there will be total 12 questions. And marks are allotted 10. This will be your grammar section. And grammar topics, which are the topics are there? Tenses, determiner, subject, verb, concord, subject, verb, agreement. We have already done. Subject, verb, agreement, passive voice, reported speech, your direct, indirect, and all. It will be certainly covered. And clauses, known finites, prepositions, prepositions and modals. Prepositions and modals. These topics will be covered in this 10 marks question. In this 10 marks. So the first part will be of 40 marks. It will be all multiple choice questions. All multiple choice questions. And second part, again it will be of 40 marks and it will be descriptive type. It will be descriptive. Here you have to write answer. First, there will be a writing section. In writing section, total it carries 10 marks. आपके 10 marks का होगा writing session. And there will be only 2 questions. One is writing letters, that is your formal letters. Another one is the paragraph. Another one, paragraph. And paragraph is only analytical paragraph. What we discussed, जो हमने diagram बना के we have to explain the diagram and all, pie chart and bar graph, whatever we have to explain. And that diagram and writing letter, all formal letter. These will you have to answer in 100 to 120 words. 100 to 120 words, and it will carry 5 marks. There will be internal choice. There will be 2 passages, there will be 2 paragraphs, and there will be 2 letters. You have to attempt only 1. Next, this is your writing section. Now, next one is your literature part. After literature part, mein, now prose. Now listen this one carefully, very carefully. We have to actually, if we plan, if you know what type of questions will be asked, we can prepare accordingly without wasting even much time, and with minimum words we can have maximum marks as well as marks. Okay. Now literature part. First is prose. There will be 2 short questions out of 3. It means 3 questions will be there from the prose. There will be 3 questions. You have to attempt any 2, and it will be of 20 to 30 words. This is short questions, and it will carry 4 marks. आपके 4 मार्क्स के होंगे एक प्रोज में से। नेक्स्ट इज एसआर सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर, अगेन देयर विल बी 2 क्वेश्चंस आउट ऑफ 3 एंड दिस विल आल्सो कैरी 4 मार्क्स। ये भी बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होंगे 20 to 30%। एक्चुअली these short questions are in 2 parts। आपके short question 2 पार्ट में है। one is you have to answer in 20 to 30 words, another part you have to answer in 30 to 40 words, 30 to 40 words, and it will carry 3 marks। ये 3 marks के होंगे। It means prose again there will be 2 questions you have to attempt out of 3। 3 questions out of 3 questions you have to attempt 2, 3 marks each। It will carry 3 marks। 3 marks का हुआ है, it means total 6 marks। Next again SR, it will be followed the same pattern। Same pattern होगा इसका। Now next is long question from prose, 5 marks। You will have internal choice। There will be 2 questions from the prose and you have to answer 1, 5 marks, and the word will be 100 to 120 words। Again there will be one more long question from SR। It means there will be long question from SR also, from prose also। You have to attempt 1 and there will be internal choice। So all students please note down this। We have to prepare accordingly, according to this pattern। We have to prepare ourselves। हमने अपने आप को इसके हिसाब से prepare करना है। Note down please everyone। Note down this please, and then we will go for the chapter now। Okay, it will be chapter and I will take my seat and then we'll start explaining। I'll start explaining the chapter। आपको chapter explain करूंगा। Hardly today we will go for brief summary and next period we will start। Okay, yes, note down please। This one I think I explained। If you want to ask anything you can ask। Okay, in the during explanation also you can ask anything। Okay. Let's go to the chapter revision। Come on, note down। Okay, students, let's go for the chapter reading I think। Yes, there is some problem। Yes, okay, okay, okay students, will next chapter that will be your of this supplementary reader। Supplementary reader, next chapter, third chapter। Okay, third chapter is that is midnight visitor। Midnight visitor, actually it is a story of spy। एक spy होते हैं, गुप्तचर होते हैं। Actually every country is having a all this system। इस तरह का system हर country में होता है, that spies and all, because we send this spy or secret agent you can say, जो गुप्तचर होते हैं हम दूसरे देशों में भेजते हैं so that we can have information about their normally for the defense and all, or any sort of information very secret। For example, nowadays this new vaccines and all, there may be many people those who are trying to search the formula of that and they can be benefited, because those who have struggled, those who have taken a pain in search, and certainly if their formula is taken away the other country will be benefited by that। Okay, this type of story it is। Now it is a story of 2 spies। दो spy की एक story होती है and one is very lazy actually, looking outlook। It means we can uh, by the outfit or by the dress and all, we cannot come to know the intelligence level of a particular person. किसी भी person का intelligence. Sometime a person may be moving very slowly, very carefree and all. Externally, sometime you may see a very carefree person, बिल्कुल लापरवाही type कोई दिखाए, but internally he may be planning very accurately. अंदर से उसकी शायद planning होती वो होती है. Sometime in picture also you might have seen बहुत सी picture होती है. I think आंखें, if there was one old story, it was also regarding the spy, secret agent की थी ये कहानी. Okay, so this in this there are mainly there are three characters. यहाँ पर केवल तीन ही character होते हैं. One is the Ausable. Ausable उसका नाम है. Ausable is the secret agent. एक secret agent है. And another one is the Fowler. Fowler क्या होता है? He is a writer, actually young and romantic writer. ये writer है. Fowler क्या है? Writer है. और Fowler क्या करता है? मतलब he wants to write something about the secret agent. वो बहुत ही मतलब he was very impressive with this secret agent. इनके साथ बहुत ही impressive होता है कि भाई ये किस तरह रात में चलते हैं, अंधेरे में काम करते हैं, and all these things they are pistol having in their hand and all. मतलब is very adventurous type, very young, romantic and adventurous writer. He wants to write something about the secret agent. Secret agent के बारे में वो लिखना चाहता है. तो उसने क्या किया? Ausable से time ले लिया कि भाई I want to meet you just for the interview, to have some experience, उसका experience, to share the experience कि किस तरह की problem उनको आती है and how they are tackling the different type of problem. हर तरह की problem वो कैसे tackle करते हैं. This was all. And अब उसमें topic क्या था? In this that we will start reading the brief summary. मैं साथ ही साथ बताता रहूँगा. Ausable was a secret agent and he did not like that. मतलब but he did not like that, look like that. वो इस तरह दिख नहीं रहा था, ऐसा दिखाई देता नहीं था कि he was a secret agent. वो fat, very small in size, fat, very sloppy, बहुत ही उसका lazy type movement. मतलब he cannot act as a, by look we cannot say that he can be a secret agent. Look से नहीं पता लग सकता. Fowler left that. Fowler felt sad. Fowler, जैसे मैंने बोला, was a young and romantic writer. He wanted to write something about the secret agents. इनके बारे में लिखना चाहता था. इसने इससे time दिया and he wanted to meet. But when he met him, पहली बार जब उसको मिला ना, he was not at all happy. उससे बिल्कुल खुश नहीं था कि ये क्या secret agent होगा. He is unable to walk properly, not having any personality and all. कोई कुछ भी नहीं था. He was totally feeling bored. This Fowler उसकी इस company में bore महसूस हो रहा था. And Ausable had a room on the 6th top floor in French Hotel. French Hotel में top floor पर 6th floor पर he was having a one room, simple एक room था, वहाँ रह रहा था. Secret agent वहाँ रह रहा था. Fowler वहाँ पर गया. Now Ausable and Fowler together. अब ये मिल जाते हैं, दोनों कैसे मिलते हैं? Ausable was very fat and he spoke French and German. French और German बोलते थे. Actually French and German and all. See, French, German, English is a combination of all these languages. Especially the French, German and all. It is it is a combination. English is a combination of all this. So German speaking and all, French speaking is, it will not be that much difficult for the English if anyone is literate in English. अगर English में literate है, पढ़ा लिखा है English का, तो he will not face much problem. So he could, but he had the American accent. Accent का मतलब होता है the mother tongue. Accent means influence of mother tongue. उसकी mother tongue. Suppose someone from Punjab, if anyone is someone from Punjab, if anyone is speaking English, is way of someone from South India, if he will speak English, it will be the another way. वो एक दूसरे तरह का मतलब होता है. Okay, American accent. And Fowler that and Oswald told Fowler that he would be sad. उसने भी देख लिया that I think the writer was not at all happy. ये राइटर खुश नहीं था. तो उसने सोचा आई थिंक यू आर ऑल्सो वेरी सैड, इट वे वेरी डल इवनिंग, बहुत ही डल इवनिंग है. उसने उसको कहा, ट्राई टू एंटरटेन हिम, उसको एंटरटेन करने की कोशिश. एंड ही डिड नॉट लुक लाइक ए स्पाई. स्पाई मींस अगेन सीक्रेट एजेंट, स्पाई. एंड द Fowler was a writer. He had expected the strange figures in night. Means he has learned from the books and all that these secret agents, they move in night when everybody is asleep. They will be on their work. वो अपने काम पर होंगे. And they move in a strange way. मतलब उनके हर तरह की हरकतें and their activities are totally strange. मतलब it is not a common activities and all. उनकी जो activity होती थी common नहीं. He also expected to hear the sound of pistol and the drugs they take. They take all types of drugs and all. Drug भी वो लेते हैं. And against this, Ausable told him that he had no beautiful girls around him. Oswald ने बोला भाई, told him that he had no beauty, मतलब he is not having any love affairs and all, not in that side he is not there, and he might feel bored in the company spying as so Oswald opened the door and for his little room for job. Now they went into the room. Actually, he was in a hotel. They're singing and all, where they pick the dining and all. जो dining कर रहे थे खाना खा के, and they started going to the room. उन्होंने room की तरफ जाना शुरू कर दिया. Now Max, there was another actually secret agent, Max. He was very smart and looking very smart. Means here we can have a comparison of the physical appearance. He was very active, very lean and very slim, tall and slim, बहुत ही लंबा और slim था, and he's very active and all this. Okay, now how he encounters? Actually, this Oswald, he was going to get some important documents on the missile technology. इसको मिसाइल टेक्नोलॉजी पे कोई इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिलने वाले थे, और बहुत से जो सीक्रेट एजेंट्स थे वो इन डॉक्यूमेंट्स को ग्रैब करना चाहते थे, छीनना चाहते थे, बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी एंड इट कुड अफेक्ट द फ्यूचर ऑफ एनी कंट्री. किसी भी देश का फ्यूचर वो अफेक्ट कर सकती. ओके, सो ही वाज गोइंग टू गेट दैट इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स. वो इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर उसको मिलने वाले थे. After a few moments, Oswald told Fowler that he would see he is going to get some important documents, and the several men and women are after that. Means many secret agents, they are after that, and this paper can change the course of history. Means this can change the history of any country. किसी भी country के इतिहास को बदल सकता है. Oswald closed the door, और when they went into the room में गए वो, उन्होंने दरवाजा खोला, and it was dark. He closed the door, then switched on the light. तब उसने लाइट ऑन, and he switched on the light. Fowler saw a man with a small automatic pistol. अब Fowler ने क्या देखा? There was a man with small automatic pistol. It was in England. He was in the center of the room. Center में खड़ा हुआ था. It means in his absence that another secret agent, or he might have entered into. He had entered into his room. उसके रूम में वो enter कर गया. And it was Max. ये Max. It was name is Max. लेकिन इस सीक्रेट एजेंट को, ओस्वेल्ड को भी पता था कि यू शुड हैव बीन समवेयर इन द अदर कंट्री. आप तो दूसरे कंट्री में होने थे, आप यहाँ कैसे आ गए? मतलब दे नो ईच अदर, वो एक दूसरे को जानते थे. On seeing him, Oswald said that he was shocked to see him, and he thought that he was in Berlin. उसने सोचा वो तो बर्लिन में होना चाहिए था, but how you are here? आप यहाँ पर कैसे हो? मतलब he took it easily. उसने easily तो लिया, but because it was a very serious matter. Already he was, it means he was captured now. Oswald को मतलब कैप्चर कर लिया था उन्होंने, and because he was having a pistol in hand, and there was no time for him to react. उसको react करने का time. Now Oswald confuses Max with Balcony. Now Oswald actually by look he is looking very lazy and all, very sloppy, fat, short and all. But now he made two stories. उसने दो कहानियां वहीं पर बना दी. Just it shows the presence of mind and intelligence level. It means we cannot say that by outlook and all, किसी भी आउटलुक से हम उसको मतलब we can assess his caliber, उसके caliber को assess कर सकते. Okay, so Max was thin and not tall, and he looked like a fox. Fox means very clever. He looked very clever. And Max told Oswald that he came there for something. Max ने बोला he came here for something. What is that? Same important paper. बोलते आपके पास important paper जो आ रहे हैं वो आपके पास safe नहीं रहेंगे, शायद मेरे पास ज़्यादा safe है. Actually he wanted to become smart. Actually he wanted to show that he is very smart. वो दिखाना चाहता था कि बहुत smart. That is about the Max बताना चाहता था कि वो बहुत smart है. Now let's see. And it was to take the report about the missile technology, some missiles from him. And the Oswald sat into a armchair. वो दोनों actually we are not in a comfortable position. Let's sit and take. Okay. And he was sitting, and then he told him that he would complain the management. अब उसने एक कहानी बनाई कि वो management को complain करेगा. This is Oswald told. Oswald told that he would complain to the management. क्योंकि last time भी उन्होंने कहा था कि someone entered his room. उसके enter में एक someone has entered his room. उसके room में enter कर गया था. And he told he lodged a complaint. उसने complaint भी lodge की थी, but still no action because he wanted that balcony must be blocked to his room. जो इसके रूम की आ रही थी वो दूसरे अपार्टमेंट का पार्ट थी और वो ब्लॉक हो जानी चाहिए. बट दे हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग, एंड इट वुड बी दैट समवन एंटर्ड इन हिज रूम थ्रू द ऑर्डिनरी विंडो इन ए बालकनी, एंड ही हैड एंटर्ड द रूम थ्रू एन लेकिन वो मैक्स कहने लगा भाई वो तो ही हैज नॉट यूज्ड बालकनी एंड ऑल. यहाँ पर there is one quality here not used balcony he says it means he was not sure whether there was a balcony or not. इसका मतलब उसको श्योर नहीं था. It means we cannot say that he is a very intelligent spy or secret agent because before entering into the room he should have made sure that what is the physical situations around. उसके चारों तरफ किस तरह की सिचुएशन है, कौन सा रास्ता जाने का, इनकेस एनी इमरजेंसी, हाउ ही कैन एस्केप, कैसे वो बच सकता है. It means he was not in this way he was careless rather you can say. Or we will call him after that, after the end of the chapter we will call him he's a stupid or fool, एक मूर्ख कहेंगे to Max को. First he made a story that balcony and all, and then Max told I don't know otherwise I would have come through that one, it would have been very easy. ये बहुत आसान होता, मैं उससे आ जाता. मैंने why I to take the pain to open the window and all, window खोलने का, enter through an ordinary window and the balcony should be closed at once. Max reacted saying that he didn't enter the room from the balcony. उसने बोला भाई balcony से तो आया नहीं है. And he had a pass key means duplicate key, pass key duplicate key थी उसकी. And Oswald told him that the balcony was the next in the next room. बोलता it was of the next room का part थी वो, ये इसके साथ attached थी. मैंने कहा था भाई इनको block कर दो, मतलब Oswald ने कहा last time. And then talk about the report. And Max looked at the Fowler. Max उसकी तरफ Fowler की तरफ देखता है. Max, because Fowler he was now surprised what's going on because up to this time Fowler was a writer. जो writer था वो boring महसूस कर रहा था now. He asked him to sit down. उसने कहा Oswald asked Max how he had learned about the report. अब Oswald उससे पूछने लगा. ऐसे just he wanted to keep him busy in talks. उसको बातों में busy रखना चाहता था. उसने कहा भाई आपको रिपोर्ट के बारे में कैसे पता लगा. Max told that he wished that he should know how Oswald man had obtained the report. बोलता आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, मतलब don't worry about that how I can, but how your man would receive that one, that is more important. He hoped to get the report back that night. और उसको वो रिपोर्ट आज मिलने वाली थी Oswald को. And then there was a knocking at the door. अब दरवाजे पर उस समय एक नॉक होती है. Okay, someone was knocking. Now Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking. Fowler एकदम से he jumped and Oswald smiled. लेकिन Oswald smile किया. Fowler he was a writer. He did not know anything about the secret agent, their activities and all, what they will think, what they are doing, what is going to happen next. Because he was a writer, he just wanted to write the experience. So experience because he was very much impressed by this secret agent. इनसे काफी वो प्रभावित था. He told that there was a police. अब Max ने Oswald ने बोला that there could be a police. वहाँ पर पुलिस हो सकती है. Now immediate. And he told that the police that about the important because police को पता था and he has already informed the police about for some extra safety, extra precaution उसने ली थी, extra safety के लिए उसने पुलिस को inform कर दिया था और it needed extra protection. So police was there to make everything right. और उन्होंने कहा था कि आधे घंटे में अगर मैं नहीं भी बाहर आता हूँ तो मतलब पुलिस भी एंटर आएगी, पुलिस यहाँ पर एंटर हो जाएगी. Max in the non-existing one. Now it is final. Now hearing this Matt got nervous. अब ये Max now police and was also trapped here. And the Oswald asked Max what he could do. Oswald ने पूछा भाई now what you will do, अब आप क्या करेंगे. If Oswald did not answer the door, the police would enter. बोलता बोलो अब क्या करोगे. If I will not answer, अगर मैं उनका जवाब नहीं दूंगा तो they will come anyhow. वो किसी तरह से enter कर जाएंगे. And the door was unlocked. और door unlocked. The police might shoot at the papers as the papers were very important. बोलता they can use bullet and all because they will not mind because these papers are very important. ये बहुत important papers है. Max's face was black with anger. उसका बिल्कुल चेहरा काला पड़ गया था. And he opened the window and put his leg. Now what he actually उसने ये कहा था. Now he told Oswald, okay आप पुलिस को किसी तरह से आप बोल देना everything is okay. मैं जब तक बालकनी में चला जाता, बालकनी में मैं छिप जाऊंगा उसमें जो आप बोल रहे थे विंडो के पास जो बालकनी. Okay, and the paper the leg into the night. He asked Oswald to send the police back. उसने कहा भाई आप वापस भेज देना. And he would go and wait in the balcony. वो बालकनी में इंतजार कर लेगा. He also warned that he would shoot and take the chance. And there was वो बोलता भाई मैं शूट कर दूंगा. I'll take the chance. मैं वो पेपर ले लूंगा. These are very important. मतलब for At any cost I want to take that, I want to grab the important paper document that is related to the missile technology which are very important for any country. किसी भी देश के लिए वो important papers थे. So he told I'll take the risk, मैं तो risk लूंगा. But now what did he do? उसने क्या किया? The knocking at the door became louder. वो और ज्यादा जोर से दरवाजा खटखटाने लगा. And Max had his gun. उसने अपनी गन कर ली ओसिबल की तरफ करके. एंड ही जस्ट ट्राई टू ड्रॉप इन अ बालकनी. बालकनी में खड़ा होना चाहता था. ओसिबल एंड फॉलर गन ओवर एंड ही स्टूड देयर कैचिंग द डोर फ्रेम. पहले उसने डोर फ्रेम पकड़ लिया बाहर निकलने के लिए, बालकनी में जंप करने के लिए. एंड विद द अदर हैंड फ्री हैंड ही सपोर्टेड हिमसेल्फ. एक हाथ से उसने सपोर्ट किया. देन ही मूव्ड हिज द अदर लेग ओवर द विंडो सिल. विंडो के सिल के ऊपर दूसरी टांग भी उसने उसी तरफ कर दी. एंड द डोर नोब टर्न. अब इसी के साथ डोर नोब टर्न, दरवाजे की जो नोब होती है, जो लॉक होता है, वो टर्न किया. हैंडल कह सकते हो आप. नीचे की तरफ का है, मींस फॉर ओपनिंग. एंड मैक्स फ्रीड हिमसेल्फ एंड ड्रॉप्ड इनटू द बालकनी. लेकिन मैक्स ने क्या किया? अब उसने जैसे ही पुलिस अंदर आना ही था, पुलिस ने, वो दिखाई नहीं देना चाहता था, वो बालकनी में कूदना चाहता था. ही फ्रीड हिमसेल्फ. उसने अपने आप को फ्री कर दिया वहां से. मतलब जो पकड़ रहा था, जो भी स्टॉप ले रहा था, वो विंडो फ्रेम का, वो छोड़ दिया. And he jumped into the balcony. बालकनी में उसने जंप किया. Now what is the twist here? And it means he had actually there was no balcony at all. At this Max told, Fowler told that he would come and take the paper, and then Oswald told he would never come out because their house was their room was on the 6th floor, and there was absolutely no balcony at all. वहां पर कोई भी बालकनी थी ही नहीं. He dropped and died. It means he was a fully, rather you can say spy, fully secret agent because of his negligence everywhere. Because what was the main here important point? When he entered into the room, he should have certainly find out, searched how he can escape in an emergency. And who was there? Now one more. Who was knocking at the door? दरवाजे पर कौन था? Was it police? No. The door opened. A waiter stood there with a tray. वहां पर waiter आया हुआ था. Waiter था because he had ordered for the drinks. इसने drink के लिए order दिया हुआ. Drink के लिए order दिया था. It was the and bottle and 2 glass. He set tray at the table, knocked the bottle and left the room. वहां पर चला गया. It means from the story, it is almost end of the chapter. From this story, we can say that he was Oswald.